Hello everyone. At the beginning, to introduce myself, I am Khazan Hadri, computer science student at Imam Abdurrahman Faisal University in Saudi Arabia. Today I'm going to talk about our research, which is a comparison of parental control tools for blocking advertisements on a home network. First of all, advertisement could be useful in some situations, but it also could be a source of noise for people, so people may get rid of them. And regarding the parental control, parents may install tools, which is parental control tools to control the browsers. And also they may install ad blocker to block advertisements from specific browser. So instead of using these limited tools, they can use the byhole, which is a powerful tool that blocks the advertisements from the whole network, not only specific browser or specific device. The aim of our research was applying 3 different tools for blocking advertisements, which are parental control tools, AdBlock Plus, and the byhole. The result of the 3 tools will be compared and then present the effectiveness of those tools. The first type of these tools is parental control applications. We applied 3 different applications, which are FamilyServe, AdGuard, and Norton Family. By looking at the first one, which is FamilyServe, FamilyServe is an application that supports only iOS system. So we applied FamilyServe at YouTube page, as shown in these figures. Figure 1 shows the YouTube page before applying FamilyServe, and Figure 2 shows the YouTube page after applying FamilyServe. Both figures show the existence of the advertisement, which shows that FamilyServe isn't the appropriate tool to block advertisements. The second one is AdGuard application. We applied AdGuard application on YouTube page. These figures show YouTube page before and after applying AdGuard. As shown in figure 3, there's an advertisement, but in figure 4, after applying AdGuard, there is no advertisements, which shows the ability of the AdGuard to block advertisements, but only for the device that AdGuard installed on. And the third one was Norton Family. Norton Family, as shown in both figures, doesn't block any advertisement. The second tool after the parental control applications was AdBlock Plus as an internet browser extension. We applied the AdBlock Plus on YouTube page and Google search engine. When we applied the AdBlock on YouTube, it could block the advertisements as shown in figure 8. But before that, by looking at figure 7, it shows the YouTube page before applying AdBlock Plus on YouTube. It contains the advertisements, but in figure 8 shows the YouTube page after applying the AdBlock Plus, which doesn't contain any advertisement. When we apply AdBlock Plus on Google, it couldn't block the advertisements, as shown in both figures. Figure 9, before applying the AdBlock Plus on Google, it contains the advertisements. Figure 10, after applying the AdBlock Plus on Google, it also contains the advertisements. The byhole using Raspberry Pi. The byhole is a Linux-based software service, provides the blocked advertisement statistics, the connected device's performance, and the whitelist domain provided by the user. By looking at this figure 11 shows the byhole requirements to set up. It requires a Raspberry Pi microcomputer and device to open the byhole system and a router to connect to the internet. Then we have the interface of the byhole. It contains a blacklist management. The blacklist, if we added any domain of the blacklist, will be blocked from the whole network from each device that connected to that network. And we have the statistics in figure 13, statistics of blocking domains, total queries, blocked queries, and many details also. Then we have this web page. This web page, before applying the Pi-hole, it contains an advertisement at the right side, but after applying the Pi-hole, there is no advertisement. To conclude the results of applying dimension tools, this table shows a comparison between them. The comparison depends on 4 aspects, which are the tool's name, support operating systems, advertisements plugging ability, and the payment requirements. FamiSurf. By looking at the FamiSurf supports only iOS system, doesn't block advertisements, and require payment. AdGuard, Norton Family, and AdBlock Plus, they all support iOS system, Windows, and Android. AdGuard block advertisements and require payment. Norton Family doesn't block advertisements and require payment. AdBlock Plus block advertisements partially and doesn't require payment. Pi-hole. By looking at the Pi-hole supports iOS system, Windows, Android, and Linux. And the Pi-hole block advertisements and doesn't require payment. In conclusion, the effectiveness of the advertisements blocking tools varies depending on the level at which the advertisement blocking was applied. To conclude the results, using Pi-hole would be effective to block advertisements due to the ability to block advertisements at the whole network from each device that connected to that network. Regarding to the future work, artificial intelligence techniques can be integrated into the advertisement blocking tools to classify the level of severity of the advertisements based on different aspects such as the gender. And thank you for listening. This presentation presented by Khazan Hajri, computer science student at Imam Abdurrahman Faisal University in Saudi Arabia.